So, do you want to change your audio quality sounding like this to sounding like this? Now, in this simple video, we're going to be going through the DJI Mic Mini. So let's just get into it. So this is what we're working with. This is the DJI Mini Mic. Comes in a very nice case. Don't worry, links are in the video description, so you go check them out for yourself. But I was very surprised when this turned up, so let's get into it. So, nice little embellishment on the top. You've got your 4 little indicators on the bottom for your charging. And then you do have this nice little latch button as well, just to unlock it. So click that, open up. And there we have it. There is the DJI Mini Mic. Comes with 1 transmitter, 2 receivers, which is quite nice. You also do get a little USB in the side there for using this for iPhones or Samsungs, all that good stuff. Yeah, so hold it for 2 seconds, turns it on and off. 1 press turns the noise reduction on. And then we also have pairing modes for the TX or RX. So let's get these out, see what we're working with. So that's just the inside of the box. You can see very smooth, very clean. There is like another port here, I believe, just in case you have like an external device. So you've got like the little USB Type-C one. DJI might offer an extra one, see if there's even 2 of these. So we do have the little brass connectors on the inside where the device actually does charge, which is quite nice. So we do have the transmitter here, which is quite nice, quite small, quite simple. So a nice DJI logo going on there. You do have the pairing togs 1 and 2, obviously because we have 2 receivers going on here. We have the mic RTX. So at the minute they are currently paired because I did this prior. And then we have the flashing, which means that the microphone is on, I believe. Then we do have the audio reduction and audio gain. So it does go from 0, +6, +12. And then we do have -6, -12 as well. So we do have a little bit of play around there. On the side here, we do have the pairing button as well as the audio jack. And then on the back, we do have a USB Type-C, which is probably for individual charging maybe. Or obviously, I know there is some of them that don't come with a carry case, so that might just be for charging. And then we do have the 4-pin connectors here, which is for the charging case. Now on the back here, we do have a clip here. So this can either clip onto your camera if this is what you're using it for. Or it can clip onto your shirt or whatever device you were trying to receive or transmit from. So whether that be your phone, your camera. Now we do have this little slide here. If I take this out, it does reveal a 6-pin connector with a little arrow. This is for your USB Type-C if you are going to use this on a mobile device. So either your iPhone or stuff like that. Clicks it in the bottom there and you're pretty much good to go. So if this is held onto a phone stand, you can just transmit straight from here. There's no messing around. So we've got that, pop that to one side. Then we do have our 2 receivers here. So they are identical. So we'll pop one to the side. Now, first of all, I did like is that it does come with this little magnet here. So it does have a clip. So you can clip this onto obviously your shirt, hat, a disclosed area. There's no issue with that, but it also comes with a magnet. So if you just want to hide this under your shirt or on the base of your cap or hat or whatever, you can do. Now, very similar on this one, we do have the on-off button as well as the pairing button. So when you do want to pair these guys together, hold them down for a couple seconds, they'll sync. And then when the 1 and 2 come up, that means that they're synced together, which is quite nice. Now we do have the audio input here going on and 2 other clips for the wind reduction kit that does come with this, which is very nice. You do get 2 colors. They've got a more of a black. I guess it maybe depends on what your aesthetic you're going for. You've got the black or you've got more of the grey brush, which is quite nice. And they simply just click in. There we go. That's that clicked in. Nice and secure. Doesn't look too bad either. I do quite like the grey look. It is quite nice. But yeah, we do have LED indicators on either side telling us that it is working. 4 pins on the bottom for charging capability, which is quite nice. But like I said, if you are going to use this on your camera, which I will be doing at the end of the video when we do the audio test and that, so it is quite nice. That would just simply plug straight into there, and then that goes straight into your camera, and then there's your transmitter receiver all ready to go. The DJI Mic Mini is small, ultralight, and discreet. The high-quality audio with a stable transmission allows up to a 48-hour operation with the case. The DJI Osmo Audio direct connection for premium sound quality with 2-level active noise cancellations for both outdoor and indoor, allowing you for automatic limiting to prevent audio clipping. The device is comfortable to wear, as weighing only 10 grams when clipped into a t-shirt seems like it's not even there. With the receiver, you can pair up to 2 transmitters simultaneously. Even when recording multiple sound sources, the mic excels of reproducing detailed, rich sound high quality. It does come with a basic and a strong level of noise cancellation, allowing for both indoor and outdoor environments. The transmitter also does give 5 levels of gain adjustments, all the way from +12 to -12, so you have full control of your transmitter. And yes, of course, it's multi-device compatibility for versatile use. It can be used via the camera audio cable, 3.5mm TRS cable, or you can just use the USB Type-C port that comes within this package to connect it directly to your device. And of course, we use the DJI Mini app for enhancing operational efficiency and allowing you to change all the different settings via low cut, audio off, clip and control, and even the safety tracking. Now guys, if you want to go check this out for yourself, please do check the links in the video description. So guys, there we have it. That was the video regarding the DJI Mini mic, and I have to admit, I love it. It really is great. I've tried loads of different types of microphone devices, from big ones. I've still got one on the boom arm, which I do for streaming, which I haven't done in a while. Coming soon. But I'm really so shocked that I never went to using the lavalier. I think I'm pronouncing that right. If not, let me know in the comment section. Lavalier microphones. But I have to admit, incredible. It's so easy to use. It's hidden away. You've got a massive range of movement, so you don't have to be sat right next to the camera. If I turn around and start looking at my screen, you can still hear the audio like I am sat right in front. And I'm really, really shocked. So guys, if you want to check this out for yourself, please do check the links in the description. If you've got one, you've got any issue, drop it down in the comment section below. I'm always more than happy to help. If I don't know the answer, I'll probably be able to find the answer. But by all means, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And I'll catch you in the next video.